In the warm morning light, colorful birds gather on a tall tree.
Good morning, friend. It's as blue as sky there's.
I love singing when the light is soft like this. It makes my heart feel happy.
Let's sing together! Our voices and colors will fill the forest with joy. Sing together! Our voices and colors will fill the forest with joy.
Yes! Different colors, different voices, but one happy song.
And so, the colorful birds chat and sing together, turning the forest into a living melody of color and sound.